Hello, this is Tony from OZ Grooming World. Today I have 3 clippers to compare the sound and the vibration. The first one, let us to see the 1-speed clipper is Heiniger Saphir in purple color. The second is Opal. It has 2 speeds. Last one is the Joyzze Raptor. It has 3 speeds. Just to let you know, the first speed of Joyzze Raptor is almost the same as Heiniger Saphir. And the second speed of Joyzze Raptor is very similar to the Heiniger Opal at the second speed. And the third speed is the highest one in the world at the moment. And let's see the last one, the top speed. Okay, so let's do again the sound. 1 speed, 2 speeds, and the 3-speed clipper. Okay, this is the sound, and now also see the vibration. This is second speed, so it is actually the same as Opal, or higher than the Saphir. If I press again, it will be the top speed. As you can hear, so the vibration wise, I think Joyzze is the best, and then Saphir will be better than the Opal. That's in my opinion, as you can see in the video. Thank you for watching. This is Tony from OZ Grooming World. Just present to you a very basic comparison for sound and the vibration today between Heiniger Saphir, Opal or Joyzze Raptor. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.